Good evening students, this is Dr. Shubhi and today we will learn how to make Google Forms. Now you all know that we conduct lot of survey and sometimes we have to find out answers of lot many questions from many people. So if you have a Gmail account, then in your account can you see these 9 dots, small dots, if you can see on the top right corner. You have to just click over there and you can go to the option which is called as Drive. So I'm going to Drive. And then in the Drive option, you will get an option to create a Google form. You can see My Drive over here, and in the My Drive, if you click, you will find there are Google Forms. If you can see this purple icon, this is Google Forms. So I'm clicking over here, and just on clicking on that purple icon, I come on this area which is called as the form design area. Now quickly understand what this form design area means. You can see that you get help also that I'm not taking. First of all, you have to give the title of your form. Now suppose I'm doing a survey on plastic, usage of plastic. So quickly I'm writing survey on usage of plastic. So that is my form name and my form description, where you can give a detailed line. It can be anything as per your choice. After this comes your first question, where you have to write down your question. So normally every survey goes with a question name of the person, and we select the answer. Now what is your answer? It has to be a short answer. You can see over here the type of answers that you can give. So I am selecting short answer, and you can see the moment I do short answer, I get only a line where I can type. You can see this required button over here. It is a toggle key and I'm clicking on it, and now this question is compulsory. It is mandatory. So if a user is not filling this question, his form will not be submitted. So this is about the first question. Next, for the next question, I'm clicking on plus. So you all can see add question over here. I'm adding one more question. Now my suppose next question is how many plastic bottles do you throw on a daily basis? Now this is my first question. I want to ask how many bottles you throw on a daily basis. So now I'm giving options over here. Now in these options I'm using the multiple choice option. So my option is suppose my first option is less than 2. I'm clicking on add option. Here I'm writing 0 and here I'm writing more than 2. Okay, I'm writing less than equal to 2, so that it is less than or equal to 2. Actually it should not be less than equal to 2, 1 or 2. It should be 1 or 2, because 0 is also there, so 0 is also less than 2. So you have to be very careful when you are writing your options, 1 or 2. So I'm writing 1 or 2, either 1 or 2. Okay, and 0, and this is the next option, and then 3 options are there, and then I make it mandatory. This is my second question ready, and now I'm going on the next button. Next button as in I'm going on the add question button to add the next question. Now here I am taking my question answer of type, let's say check boxes. So what I'm doing, I'm giving check boxes. Now what is your plastic garbage? What is your plastic garbage? So now my first question is bottles. First option is bottle. My second option is wrapper. Then my third option is, let's say, what else? Wires. And then my fourth option can be cosmetic throwaways. Okay. cosmetic throwaways means like lip liner, lipstick cover and all those things. So this is a checkbox question where the user will be ticking. He will pick all the options whichever he is using. So this is my third question, and let's add one more question. Now my this question is where I'm trying to create a linear scale. Linear scale is where I'm giving a scale. Okay, so I'm writing over here a question like, what is my uh, usage of, or rather what is my rate, my question can be rate yourself on consumption of plastic. So here I am writing 1 to 5, which means uh, 1 is let's say less, and uh, 5 is more. Okay, so this is my linear scale. Again, this question is mandatory. Okay, after this I'm adding one more type of question where I'm teaching you how to upload a you can see over there, rate yourself on consumption of plastic. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. So you have, it is a self analysis. You have to find out how much you throw. You consider yourself as 5 on 5, 4 on 5, 3 on 5. Like I myself consider myself as 1 on 5, where even that one I try to recycle. So now my next question is upload a picture of dustbin in your society. So if I want to see what is, I mean, the scenario of my society, and if I'm doing a survey, so I'm trying to find out how people are, I mean, vigilant, or how much they are taking care of the garbage on their own. So I'm doing upload. You can see over here, allow only specific types. If I do this, in that case it will give me options. It can be spreadsheet, PDF, video, image, drawing, presentation, documentation, anything. So allow only, suppose I say PDF file or image file or a presentation. Okay, maximum number of files I can upload 10, so I'm making it 10. File size, maximum file size is 10 MB. So this is my file upload option. Now I'm through with my questionnaire. This is my Google form which I have created with the help of Google form facility in your Gmail. And now what I'm doing, I'm sending this form to the person to whom I want to from whom I want to take a feedback. So I'm sending it to Agrawal Mahi 211@gmail.com. So now I'm sending this to Mahi, and I'm writing here survey on usage of plastic. I've invited you to fill a form. This will go into the mail. Include form in email. If you want that form to be visible in the email, I can click here also. And I don't want to show my form in the email, because once you show that in the email, people stop filling. There is no surprise then. So it's better you just give the email address, and then I click on send. So my form has reached Mahi, and now let's see how the form will look in her account, and how we have to fill it and submit. So you can see over here, this is the form which you can see over here. This is the form. Okay, now you can see the name or photo associated with this. This is the form which has come up. And now name, you have to enter your name. Suppose I enter Mahi. How many plastic bottles do you throw on a daily basis? Now suppose she says on a daily basis, it is not either 1 or 2. On a daily basis she is not throwing, so she might enter, I think she will enter 1 or 2. What is your plastic garbage? What it is? So she will definitely click on wrappers, because she eats chips a lot. And then cosmetic throwaways, yes, she can put that also. Rate yourself on the consumption of plastic 1, and upload a picture of dustbin in your society. So now here, if supposingly she is not having any picture of dustbin in society, she won't be able to upload, and then in that case she cannot submit, because it is a mandatory question. quickly find out if something is there. I mean, you have to upload from here, select a file from your device, or maybe select a file from my drive. I'm selecting something from my drive only. Let's find out if I have any picture over here. If not, then upload. I'll go to upload quickly from device if I can get any file. Let me see if I get something. Let me find out if I get something. Some old pictures are there. Okay, so I'm opening this folder, and this is a little picture of Mahi and her nanny. So this is just a sample which I have uploaded, and now I am clicking on upload. You can see uploading one on one, which means that picture is uploading, and now my image is ready and I am submitting it. So I have submitted the form. So the form has reached. Survey on usage of plastic. Your response has been recorded. Submit another response. So that is how it's been done. And now I'm coming back on my response. So you can see over here one response. Can you all see one? So this is the response because Mahi has responded. So you can see the response over here. Name of the person has come. His answers are there. Now it is showing 100%, which means because only just one person has filled. So out of one, the graph is pie chart is made, so it is 100% everywhere. And you can see over here the image has also come. So this is the image which has come, which he uploaded. So you can see that image also. Okay, and that image will come. It has reached. There's a folder where this image has reached. So automatically the photograph is going in that particular area. You can see this little thumbnail that this photo has reached the destination. So this is how it has been created, and you can see over here, you can see the graphs. Beautifully the graphs are created. How's your plastic garbage? So she's not throwing any bottle, so it is 0. She's throwing wrappers, so it is 1, and that way this bar graph is created. Likewise, you can see over here also the details and the graph formation. And the moment the response will increase, you will find that this graph will keep on changing because it is actually dependent on the data. Yeah, one more thing I wanted to share with you all, that this little icon of green color is Excel file which is created in the background. So automatically the data is transferred to MS Excel. You can see create a spreadsheet, and I'm going over here, create. So this spreadsheet is created, and then you open this spreadsheet and you can see the data has reached in MS Excel also. So that is the main beauty of these Google Forms, because whatever data we are collecting, you can see over here the time stamping that on 31st/10/2020 Mahi has responded at this particular time, and Mahi has answered all the things, and the photograph. So likewise, if 40 people are filling, everyone's detail will reach here in the Excel file, and Excel is automatically created. So guys, this is all about Google Forms. I expect you all to give your feedbacks, and I'm uploading these small videos just you all to get aware of all these facilities which are very easily available. And keep writing me the way you people write, and let me know any other topic that you want. I'll definitely share a video on that. Thank you.